What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Yeah, guys, yesterday it's been a beautiful day and it's been a winning day. And obviously, if you check my previous video from yesterday, you could see, guys, I was in a trade and I was explaining that I was kind of like down for the month, 1% or something like that. And I don't know if you noticed, but I was saying like, guys, I don't really care about it, even if it's gonna be a losing month or a profitable month. I don't really care. I just stick to my plan, focus on my risk management, focus on my discipline to how is it called, to follow my rules, and to try to be as consistent and profitable trader, because that's what makes me profitable, to be consistent and obviously sticking to my own rule. So let me just make this screen real small. I mean my face, yeah. So basically, I don't know if you was checking yesterday, yeah. I was in this position yesterday and I was aiming for 2.49 risk to reward ratio. Actually, it was, I think my entry was like a little bit high because it was 256 or something like that. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. 2.5 RR, that's more than enough, guys. So basically, I had an entry here, I think so. And if I'm not mistaken, an entry somewhere here, something like that. I was on sales. So basically what I did, once the price action, everybody knows how I trade the break and retest strategy, so it shouldn't be no problem with that. And also on this particular trade, yeah, I entered because here it was my kind of zone, yeah. I entered just a little bit above, only because I was seeing this fair value gap or whatever it's called. Yeah, it doesn't really matter, guys. I just make a point because I was thinking like maybe it's gonna spike up here to this area, and that's what it happened. Literally filled up to the T and then just moved back down. So obviously what I did, I entered hero trade and a little bit above, and I was aiming for those lows, yeah. But obviously I was seeing here is a fair value gap, so I was kind of thinking like that it might gonna be an issue with this zone right here. So when the price action arrived here, I took a partial profits, guys. Correct, I took a partial profits, and then I just let it run the rest to my TP, and basically it hit my TP. And when I just opened my trade, yeah, the TP wasn't hit because I don't know the reason why, because of the spreads or some stuff like that, yeah. On my MT5, yeah, I was checking the price action went through my TP, but unfortunately due to the spreads they haven't closed the position. And when I checked, it was going this candle back up. It was something like that. So I'm like, oh my days, man. So I just close it how it is. Now let's just see how it looks like on my MT4, MT5, sorry. Let me just, so basically how I said, I open here a trade, beautiful, you see fair value gap or whatever it's called, yeah, because I have a video on that, how I do enter a trade on the way, guys. Here I had a, you see, here I had a position and here I had a position. The first one, it was like to this area, and I think here was kind of sort of, I don't think it was a news, but this, yeah, it kind of was a news, kind of. So basically, this candle, it was so crazy, like it was moving back up and down, up and down. So when I closed it, maybe it just stopped it here, but I mean it like to this area. So basically, oh yeah, you see, I closed here one position, and then here I took another profit of the second one of this position, yeah. And then I let it run to the end, and get here, if we can check, you see, it spiked through my, but literally came back up. So when I was seeing the price actually was somewhere here, and I'm like, oh my days, man, they took this low, so maybe it's gonna be a rejection, it's gonna go back up. So I just decided to close my trade right here and just call it a day. Here are my profits, 264 and 3.32. I'm still up on my account, so it's $16. I have $2 of withdrawal. I had a huge drawdown though before, back in the days when I wasn't that disciplined, but man, it is what it is, you know. So let's just see. Oh, I shouldn't even close it. So let's just see, guys. I'm gonna open my FX books. I don't know if it did update it, but let's just see. Yeah, it did. It did actually. So basically, right now we're sitting at 9.38% up of the account, on the account, basically. Yeah, everything is beautiful. Let's see. Yeah, I'm still gonna be profitable, man, this month. I won't take a trade in today because I got my job to do. So we'll see. Maybe I'm gonna take a trade, maybe on my FTMO or something like that, if something pops up. If don't, then I don't really care. But anyway, guys, let's see here. So it's 1.76, yeah? Let's just see. So basically my average loss is $1.41 and the average win is 138, which is quite bad because it's kind of negative risk to reward ratio. That's kind of not good. But it's kind of 1-to-1. But the risk to reward ratio, yeah, I would say it's 54% win rate. So basically I won 101 trades out of 188 trades. It's pretty decent to me. And for me, that's like more than enough because look at that. I'm 54% win rate, yeah, and I almost a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Here is like difference. It's just a small difference, yeah. So if I do have 54, so obviously I am a profitable trader. But at the end of the day, I can say right now I'm sitting at the break-even stage because I'm going like up and down, up and down, up and down. But I'm sure like in the near future it's gonna be a crazy month, crazy. But the reason why I'm saying that is just because I'm trying to pass, like, man, I got like 10k Blue Guardian FTMO Blue Guardian challenge, and then I got FTMO 100k, and then I got my real account. So it's kind of hard to, you know, to trade only one position. But in the meantime, I got my job, so it's not that easy, you know, that easy. But whatever, what we can say is just focus to a plan, stick to a plan, follow your risk to reward ratio, management, all that good stuff. And the psychology, I think, is the most important. Just stay focused on whatever you're doing and don't think about, even if you do have a losing month or week or a day, don't even bother yourself. So yeah, guys, talk to you in my next video update. Peace and love. I'm out.